Still shipping eBay orders manually? Automate everything with Amazon's warehouse in under 10 minutes. Now you can see this item on eBay right here. When somebody purchases this item, Amazon ships it for me. I don't have to store it at my house. I don't have to print the label. I don't even have to put the tracking number in. Amazon does it all, which is amazing, and that's why I'm sharing this tool. So yeah, you need to make sure that you do have Amazon FBA inventory for this to work. As you can see, I only have 11 units left, but it automatically matches the quantity here. And when somebody does order, Amazon automatically gets notified, automatically ships it, and automatically puts the tracking number in. Everything is as automated as it gets. And the best part is it's free. The tool is free to do this. Now it's called Map My Channel. Just Google Map My Channel. It's going to show up right here. Click on that, and then you can sign up for free. So you click sign up. We'll do it together. So I'm going to do, let's see if this works. And I'm signing up. Now what you're going to do is connect your eBay account. Then you're going to connect your Amazon account. Once it's fully connected, it's going to look something like this. You're going to be in here. When somebody places an order, it's going to say accepted. And then you can actually view the order on Amazon and you'll see everything is synced and automatically shipped. It's pretty awesome. Here's the integration, right? So you can turn on eBay and then turn on Amazon. Make sure the order sync, the tracking syncs, the inventory syncs. So that way, if you run out of inventory on Amazon, it automatically puts the inventory on eBay as 0, right? Then you can manage different shipping methods, how fast you want it to be shipped, right? Amazon has 3 different shipping methods, pretty much slow, medium, and fast. So you can determine what do you want to do. And then you can also make sure, you can go to this edit button in green and make sure that Amazon ships it in a blank box. So that way the customer is not receiving an Amazon box and they get all confused, right? Like you're drop shipping. But this is a little bit different because you're actually just shipping it from your Amazon warehouse. It's not considered drop shipping. You can go to your plans and see how much this costs. Now, I mentioned that it's free, and yes, they do have a free plan. You can most likely stay on this free plan for a very long time, and then if you need to upgrade, you can always upgrade to another plan. But this is kind of it in a nutshell. And if this tutorial wasn't enough for you, you can go to our website and then go to services and courses. Our website's linked down below. Then you can check out our courses on how to actually link eBay to Amazon. And I go through just like this, but I go through it in depth with a step-by-step tutorial, right? We also have how to sell on TikTok. TikTok and Amazon connection are a little bit more difficult, but if you wanted to sell on TikTok, learn TikTok, have Amazon ship all the orders for TikTok. We also have a mini course for that. So pretty cool. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you on your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, calling Amazon, helping you expand to other platforms like eBay, TikTok, Etsy, Walmart, integrate the shipping, do your advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business instead of expanding your business. We'll do the day-to-day operations for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.